Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and realizing that a bunch of people in suits decided you can't access your money today. No warning, no explanation, just a policy change. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But here's the thing, it happens all the time in traditional finance. Now, what if I told you there's a financial system where no bank can freeze your funds, no middleman takes a cut, and you earn interest rates that make your savings account look like a joke?
Welcome to DeFi, Decentralized Finance.
This is the future of money, where you are in control. No banks, no third parties, just code, crypto, and financial freedom. But how does it actually work? And more importantly, how can you profit from it? Let's break it down. What is DeFi? At its core, DeFi is finance without banks, brokers, or middlemen. Instead of trusting an institution to handle your money, you trust smart contracts, self-executing code that runs on the blockchain. Think of it like this. Traditional finance is like a corporate hotel chain. Expensive fees, rigid rules, and a bunch of people taking a cut before you even check in.
DeFi? It's like Airbnb for money. You interact directly with the owner, set your own terms, and cut out the middlemen. But DeFi isn't just a buzzword, it's an entire ecosystem. And inside this ecosystem, there are 4 powerful tools you need to know about. 1. DeFi lending. Be your own bank. Ever put money in a savings account and earned a whopping 0.01% interest? Meanwhile, the bank takes your money and lends it out for 5 to 10% interest? Yeah, not exactly fair. With DeFi lending, you become the lender. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and MakerDAO let you deposit crypto and earn real interest, sometimes 10% or more. It works like this. You deposit crypto into a lending pool. Borrowers take loans against that pool. No credit checks, just collateral. You earn interest from those borrowers. No banks, no middlemen, just you making money off your own assets instead of letting banks do it for you. But wait, there's more. 2. Yield farming. The crypto money printer want to level up your earnings. Yield farming is like DeFi lending on steroids. Instead of just lending out your crypto, you move it between different platforms to chase the highest returns. Think of it as depositing your money into multiple high-yield accounts at once, but automated by smart contracts. Here's how it works. You provide liquidity to a DeFi platform. The platform rewards you with tokens, aka free money. You reinvest those rewards into other DeFi projects to maximize gains. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow exponentially. But don't get too excited just yet. High rewards come with high risks. Yield farming can be complex, volatile, and sometimes downright brutal if the market crashes. But for those who master it, the profits can be life-changing. 3. DEXs. Trading. Without a middleman, ever tried trading stocks and had a broker slap you with fees for simply pressing a button? Or worse, got blocked from trading when the market got too volatile? That doesn't happen in DeFi. DEXs, or decentralized exchanges, let you trade cryptocurrencies without an exchange controlling your funds. No registrations, no trading limits, just pure peer-to-peer transactions. Platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap use automated market makers, AMMs, instead of order books. That means no middlemen, you trade directly from your wallet. No restrictions, you can swap any token anytime. No gatekeepers, no one can shut you down. It's like turning Wall Street into a free-for-all marketplace, where everyone has equal access to the game. 4. DeFi removes intermediaries, but at what cost? Alright, so DeFi sounds like a no-brainer, right? More control, higher earnings, no banks taking a cut. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and moon rockets. The risks? Smart contract failures. Bugs in code can drain entire platforms. Impermanent loss. You could lose money while providing liquidity. Scams and rug pulls. With no regulations, some projects are pure cash grabs. So, is it worth it? Well, here's the thing. Traditional finance isn't risk-free either. Banks collapse. Markets crash. And let's not even start on inflation eating away at your savings. The difference? In DeFi, you have the power. You choose how to invest, where to lend, and when to cash out. It's a financial revolution where the rules are written in code, not by bankers. Now, the only question left is, are you ready to take control of your money?